Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about something that's not just effective but also adorable. The LitBear Acne Patch with tea tree and Centella oil, which has become quite popular in the skincare community, especially for its cute design. If you're a fan of Hello Kitty, you're going to love these star-shaped pimple patches that stand out not only for their looks but also for their performance. This product comes packed with 168 hydrocolloid dots in a variety of 6 vibrant colors. You can virtually mix and match. These patches are specially designed to be both functional and fun, making them perfect for anyone who wants to treat their acne without sacrificing style. It's like having a little piece of art on your skin while you heal. Using the LitBear Acne patches is easy. They're formulated with tea tree oil and Centella asiatica, both known for their antibacterial properties and soothing effects on the skin. To apply, first ensure that the area is clean and dry. Then just place the patch over the blemish and let it work its magic. You'll love how they adhere tightly to the skin, which helps isolate the affected area and promote healing while also absorbing impurities. I'll showcase how easy it is to apply one of these patches. Just peel it off the backing and place it on the pimple like this. You'll want to wear it for a few hours, or even overnight, for optimal results. What's more, they won't come off unless you want them to, so feel free to go about your day without worry. Whether you're at home or out and about, the cute star design of these patches makes them a delightful addition to your skincare routine. They are not only functional but also playful, allowing you to express your personality while taking care of your skin. Let's break down some key benefits. The hydrocolloid material used in these patches creates a moist environment for the pimple, which helps reduce the size and redness. The tea tree oil provides an antibacterial effect, while Centella asiatica works to soothe any irritation. It's a 3-in-1 deal that really enhances your skincare approach. In summary, the LitBear Acne Patch is the perfect blend of efficacy and cuteness, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare arsenal. With its natural ingredients, fun design, and ease of use, it's no wonder that these patches are becoming the go-to choice for those who want to tackle breakouts without compromising their style. So, if you're looking for the best cute pimple patches out there, definitely check out the LitBear Acne Patch with tea tree and Centella oil. It's time to say goodbye to blemishes and hello to confidence, all while rocking those cute designs. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome reviews. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.